Mga katomo, welcome back sa Mary Ann Channel. For today's video, ay introduce ko sa inyo ang aking channel members, ang Mac Babies, Mac Angels, at Mac Fanatic. By this time, this moment na channel members ko. I record this video this April 25, Thursday, 8 p.m. So by this time, this moment na channel members ko. Thank you, channel members. Malaki ang pasasalamat ko sa aking channel members dahil sa inyo ay buhay ang aking channel, ang Mary Ann Channel. Domo arigato! I am excited to introduce my super supportive members of my channel by alphabetical order. Biag PAY. Description: Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. I am Balong from Bani, Pangasinan. I worked in the city for more than 10 years and decided to go back to my province and just live a simple life. I created this channel to show how peaceful to live in a countryside. What I love about province is that almost everything is free and organic. I named this channel Biag PAY, Ilocano word meaning life in the countryside. I hope that through my videos I can bring calmness to those who are watching. Please continue to support my channel and feel free to comment so I can improve creating my content. Ang ganda sa kanilang province at mayroong bago yung pinapagawang kubo. I hope na one of this day ay imbitahan niya kami na pumunta sa kanyang lugar, sa kanyang kubo-kubuhan. I thank you! Boat House Family Vlogs. Channel description: I really enjoy being at sea, even in the worst storm. I love the sea. This is where I wanted to be. So come with me and enjoy the beauty of the ocean and the nature surrounding above and beneath it. Fishing is my life, so does adventure. I love singing too. Cooking and eating adds the list. Cheryl De Jesus, ang may bahay ni Timang Vlog TV. Naglaylo na siya sa pag-YT at busy na siya sa work. At once na kaming nag-meet up nito, kasama si Timang Vlog TV kasi ay magkalapit baryo lang kami. Ingat-ingat palagi, Cheryl. Thanks sa tiwala. Thank you. And our next is Prison Store Vlog. Welcome to our channel, Prison Store Vlog. Hello mga suki! Our channel is all about cooking food menu, online selling of different items like fresh and dry goods, sharing additional tips, family bonding, and live streaming. Enjoy watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell for more update videos. Maraming salamat mga suki sa support. Rizon Morales Vlog. Welcome to our channel. I'm Rizon Morales, born in Pampanga. My father is Chris from Oriental Mindoro and my mother is Corazon from Pampanga. They combined their name, that's why my name is Rizon. My channel is mixed vlogs and it's all about sharing my experience on my tutorial, family activities, tips, and I'm also a student from Makati and also for my future funding for my studies. Let's connect and support each other. Doris TV. Hi everyone! I'm a Filipina living here in Japan and my husband is Japanese. I love cooking and want to share with you my little knowledge about Japanese and Filipino cooking. We also love to travel that would share also with you all the beautiful places we visited. My channel also includes some tutorials, entertainment, foods, photography, our lifestyle here in Japan and their tradition. The Trios TV. Sayang lang wala kang channel description. Ang yung latest videos mo is all about sightseeing maybe sa Puerto Galera. Sana all makapunta sa Puerto Galera. Thank you sa tiwala, The Trios TV. MSTAB Channel. Hello everyone! It's me, MSTAB Channel. Salamat sa pagpasyal sa aking bahay. At aside from vlogs, compilation, cooking, ako din po ay nag-upload ng mga YouTube editing tutorials at mga YouTube tips na pwedeng makatulong sa mga gustong magsimula na gumawa ng kanilang YouTube channel. Pwede niyo po itong bisitahin at panoorin. Sana po ay makatulong ang ilang videos na ito sa inyo. Elaine 04. To share smile for everyone who will watch our cute Disney character and other beautiful toys collection. Thanks for watching. Ang May Bahay ni Kuya Jun Vlog TV. Thanks sa tiwala niyong mag-asawa. Thank you. Father and Son. Mabuhay Pilipinas! Tuloy po kayo sa munting bahay ni Father and Son. Ang mga video po na mapapanood nyo dito ay sari-sari at sana nagustuhan nyo po. Thank you! Gunting Gala TV. What's up, Kagunting Gala? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my uploaded videos. At meron siyang mga link sa kanyang channel description. Inday Blackjack Vlogs. Hello! Welcome to my channel. This is Inday Blackjack Vlogs here in Saudi Arabia. Domestic helper in Jeddah. My vlog is about baking, sometimes cooking, sometimes dancing, sometimes singing, even not a singer. Sometimes crazy, funny, and I wish someday I become a charity vlogger. Gijo Budge. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Daily sports live stream, scoreboard, basketball, volleyball, NBA, PBA, PVL live scoreboard update. Jolly J. Lu. Hello, I am Jennifer Lucanas, aka Jolly J. Lu. Welcome to my new channel. For those who are not yet know me, my old channel, which unfortunately got demonetized last April 1, 2021, but with God's grace, here I am with my new channel. I started April 2, 2021, and I got monetized again into May 29. With the help of my Team Unicorn and loyal friends here in YT. Going back, like in my previous channel, I cater video topics like cooking, baking, my cat's life, travel, unboxing, herbal medicine tips, and of course my super duper love in singing. I also do live stream which sometimes gone as chit chat concert and game show live stream. I love talking and joking around. I am inviting you if have time to please attend my LS and I promise that every minute is fun. JBM Cord. Description: God's given nature. Various vlogging. Ang channel niya is all about sa singing. Palagi siyang nag-live na kumakanta siya. Liza Parulan 2467 Live. I am Liza Parulan Halasco. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Liza Parulan 2467 Vlog. A simple vlogger from Philippines and OFW here in Kuwait. I just want to thank you for supporting me. Let's support each other. Love you and God bless you all. Mars, thank you sa tiwala. Lirio Bagasing. Wala siyang channel description. Nasa Pilipinas siya at busy siya sa kanyang mga paninda. Mahilig siyang mag-zumba. Lailani Jimeno. Hello, please support my channel. It's all about my daily life, adventure, traveling, nature, and food, and game. Maisan ni Insoy at iba pa. Description: step by step pagtanim ng mais at ibang agricultural products and more. Marge YTC. I love nature's adventures, pets, and live streaming. Mami Aliyah Japan Vlog. Hello everyone, ako po ay si Aliyah, Pilipina na kasalukuyan nakatira dito sa Japan na kasama ang aking asawa at anak. Ang channel na ito ay ginawa ko para maibahagi sa inyo ang buhay ko dito bilang dayuhan sa ibang bansa. May mga lugar po tayo na papasyalan. May gardening. Kung mahilig ka naman mag-shopping or mag-window shopping, may mapapanood ka rin dito sa channel na ito. At meron rin tayong cooking vlog na syempre my own version. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood at kung magustuhan nyo ang aking mga vlog, pakiclick ang subscribe button at palike na rin po para sa pagmamahal. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong suporta. Mr. Tubero. It's a story of lifestyles, blog, and interesting story about Mr. Tubero. Mr. Tubero is hard-working man. Mr. Tubero is also promotes for Lozano's Plumbing, which doing a multitask job regarding plumbing works and other water pump jobs. We done all our plumbing job with quality and we always have the assurance to our client satisfaction. We create this channel to reach and know us in plumbing world and promote our plumbing jobs. See you Katomo sa second part ng ating video. Thank you for watching and see you sa next part. Bye! Arigatou gozaimasu!